In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Minimax AI plan, features and limits. If you're new to Minimax, here's the key idea. Upgrading usually isn't a traditional monthly subscription. Instead, most consumer plans run on credit packs. Think of credits as your fuel for generation tasks. When you buy a larger pack, you don't switch to a different monthly plan. You simply add more fuel to your account, which unlocks more capacity and better access while those credits last. So what does upgrading actually give you? First, more credits, which means you can run more tasks without hitting limits. Second, priority queuing during peak times so your jobs move faster when the system is busy. Third, the ability to run longer or more complex tasks, which is great for bigger projects. And depending on the current offer or product line, you may also see early access to new capabilities. If you're using a specific product like Minimax Agent, the exact benefits and thresholds can vary, so always check the details in your dashboard before you buy. Now, let's talk about how credit packs behave. When you purchase a higher pack, those credits are added to your balance right away. They're typically valid for a set period, often around 30 days. So it's smart to keep an eye on the expiration shown in your account. There's no concept of downgrading with credit packs. You just use what you have, let them run out, and choose a different pack next time if your needs change. There's also no recurring subscription by default. You'll only repurchase manually or set up autopay if the platform offers it and you turn it on. Upgrading is straightforward. Log into your Minimax AI dashboard. Navigate to the credit, billing, or plans section. Names can vary slightly depending on the interface. Pick the larger credit pack that matches your workload and confirm the purchase. That's it. The credits appear in your balance, and you'll immediately have more usage, better priority during busy periods, and, when applicable, access to higher task limits. There's no need to switch plans in the traditional sense because you're not moving between monthly tiers. You're simply adding more credits. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Before buying, check your current balance and the estimated expiration date so you don't accidentally sit on unused credits. If you're experimenting with heavier tasks, consider a one-time larger pack first to see how far it takes you. And if you rely on Minimax daily, explore autopay only if it fits your workflow. Otherwise, manual top-ups give you tighter control over spending. That's the full picture of upgrading your Minimax AI plan using credit packs. Simple, flexible, and built around how much you actually generate.